Okay, really quickly, this was Monday's homework. If you were not here on Monday, just quickly fill out 21 and then I will tell you what is for homework tonight. It wants to know what the value of 84 7/10 times 0 1/100 would be, but I would say find friendly numbers. You have 847 times 1, so you have 847. I would ask you how many loops you need. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3. Your decimal should be right there. Okay, that's 3 loops in. Easy point. If you have a 0 in front of it, perfectly fine. Tori, has an 8-foot long spool of ribbon, and she cuts that ribbon into 12 pieces. How long is each piece of ribbon in feet? I told you just to make a fraction. She's going to take her 8 feet of ribbon, and she's going to divide it into 12 pieces. So 8 divided by 12. That's it. I have a couple of you, I saw you had a mixed number 1 and something. That is wrong, because that means that you're dividing 12 divided by 8, and she's cutting it into 12 pieces. So she needs to divide it by 12. 3 wants to know what ordered pair would describe the location of the triangle. X is first, Y is second. You drag it down, I'm at 0. Drag it over, I'm at 3. So I have 0, 3. X is first, Y is second. This week, John earned $10 less than twice the amount that he earned last week. He earned $50 this week. The equation below describes the situation. It's 2 times, because anytime there is a number and a letter touching, that's multiplication, and twice means times 2. So that's where that comes from. He's going to earn $10 less the subtraction, so minus 10, and he earns $50 this week. They want to know what number you could have plugged in for X, where you can multiply by 2, take away 10, and still be at 50. But it should be 30. Because if I plug in 30 here, I would have 2 times 30, and 2 times 30 is 60, and then I would do the minus 10, and 60 minus 10 is 50. 5 wants to know the range. It's the biggest minus the smallest. So my biggest number up here is 15, and my smallest number up here is 7, and I know that 8 and 7 is 15, so I have 8. That was homework for Monday. Homework for Tuesday night that we will go over on Wednesday. Let's see, I haven't looked at any of this yet. I don't like that. I do like that. Don't mind that. All right, let's take 22. I like number 1. I want you to focus on the fact that that's division. So loop outside, loop inside, and then see if she's right. We'll move from there. We will do 2. Don't cross it out. We will do it when we go over it on Wednesday. You don't have to do it tonight. If you would like to try it, you're more than welcome to. If you are confused by it or whatever, just leave 2. That's fine. 3, draw a rectangle with an area. No, let's cross 3 out. Input, output, love, okay. You might want to highlight where they're telling you what the rule is. If these still are a little bit, difficult for you, you might want to circle where it says 6x, and just remind yourself that anytime there's a number and a letter that are touching each other, you need to multiply. If you're not sure what number to use, they literally are telling you. That's why I love these, okay, because they tell you what to do and how to do it. You just need to get it done. They're saying to do 6 times the number, and this number is 3, so I know that 6 times 3 is 18, and then take 9 away, and 18 minus 9 is 9, so that works. 6 times the number is 5, so 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 9 is 21, that works. 6 times the number is 7, so 6 times 7 is 42. Take 9 away, you should be at 33. So do this one, this one, this one. And I do like 5. Terry's family room is 16 square yards. It costs $5.50 per square yard to install carpet. How much will it cost to install carpet Okay, sorry. In her family room. All right, that's homework.